Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Teams entry point not found error. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Teams, click Uninstall. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %of data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Open Microsoft folder. Delete Teams folder. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local Appdata %. Open Microsoft folder. Delete Teams folder. Open any browser. Type Teams in browser search bar. Click Download Teams. Click Download for desktop. Click Download for Windows 10. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.